Peeps, this your boy, Cooker Ron. Guess what we got? That's an air fryer. We're going to make, and excuse me if I've mispronounced this, I think it's called crab something. Rukon? Rupa? Or whatever. I'll tell you the proper name when I figure it out. We're going to need, and I'm using this carb counter. It's a tortilla wrap. It has pretty much 60 calories per wrap and 13 grams of carbs, which would give you 26 carbs a day, which is still kind of on the high side, but it is better than most other tacos shells. So we're going to use 2 of them, right? We're going to use the air fryer lining. Why would I use the air fryer lining? Easy cleanup. You can get these at the local grocery store. You might be able to get them online. Let's see if I can get it in here the way I want it to. Okay. Yeah, they sometimes don't always fit the way you want to, but anyway, who makes this? Reynolds. The first thing we're gonna do, we'll turn the camera down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. We're going to take 1 shell. I'm going to use Philadelphia cream cheese. I got this recipe from somewhere. Don't ask me where, because I probably wouldn't be able to tell you. But I had to take it out so to unthaw a little bit because they were frozen. And okay, here we go. I'm not really a cream cheese fan, so I don't really know how this is going to turn out. Some people love cream cheese. I'm not one that does, but we're going to see how this turns out. We're going to take some cream cheese on one of the wrap, on one of the tortilla shells, and we're just going to spread it along. Now, this cream cheese was supposed to be thawed out, and I think it's still thawed out, but it still seems to be a bit thick. But then again, I'm not a cream cheese eater, so you guys could probably confirm this, that it's normal, which I think it is. I just bought this, so it's fresh. So we're going to take some of this cream cheese, and we're going to spread it along. Spread it along the whole tortilla shell so it's all evenly covered. Okay, I think that's good enough. Put this back in the little box. I will later put it in a Ziploc bag, only because Ziploc bags kind of conceal out the air and it doesn't make things look nasty. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to take artificial crab rangoon. And yes, artificial crab meat isn't actually crab. It's actually a fish. And we're going to take it and spread it along. I think I'm going to use one more. Okay. Now we got this nicely spread it across. Let's move this a little bit so we have it evenly spread it. Yeah, I might need one more. Yeah, let's try one more. Cover up that gap there, gap there. So just, it don't have to be perfect, guys, gals. Now we're going to take some mozzarella cheese. And I thought I had to open this up, but it looks like this is an unopened bag. Take some mozzarella and we're going to spread it around a little bit. Just make it even. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we got the first one done. Okay, where you at, buddy? Bring your butt over here. And then we're going to take this and put another tortilla shell over top of it, like so. And what we're going to make from here is that we're going to take this whole thing and put it inside here. So you're going to have to grab it, be very careful, and just put it right inside there like that. Next, we're going to make some garlic butter. This is going to require me to go, and this should be enough, might be too much, to go into the microwave and nuke this because I need this in a liquid form. I'm going to add a little black pepper, mostly garlic, minced garlic. You could use regular garlic, doesn't really matter. A little bit of Italian flavor, or Italian season. And I'm going to go nuke this. So I'll be right back. This is what it looks like when it's all nuked. This might not be enough, but we're going to try it anyway. If not, we can always make more. We have this here. We're going to put a little bit more mozzarella on top of it. Okay. Because we have the liner in, we don't care if it sticks or whatever. It'll make it easier for clean up. I don't think you guys can see the cheese very well, but if you can look. And now we're going to take some of this garlic butter and pour it right on top of it. This is barely enough, but it's going to be enough for what we're going to do today. Now, I'm going to put this into the air fryer for approximately 8 minutes, right around 350, 400 degrees. And I'll be back and we're going to show you the end peeps. This is how it turned out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab this out of here and see how well this turns out. Now, the person that did this, I wish I still had the date on it, that recommended or suggest this. We're going to find out how well it tastes. I think it's a little overcooked, but let's find out. That's not too bad. Let's see what it tastes. Well, the smell is not too bad. It is crabby. That's not bad. Actually, even though it looks like it's a little overcooked, actually, that's not bad at all. And like I said, I'm not a cream cheese person, but wow, that is really nice. Not really. And I thought because it was a little extra crispy, because this is not what it looked like when the person cooked it. This is, I think they call it crab something. They call it crab something. That's not bad at all. It really, I taste the back end of the cream cheese on the back of my palate. With the artificial crab, that's not bad at all. It really is. This is nice. But I'll probably suggest making some like butter garlic or some other sauce on the side so you can dip it. This would go well. Football games, any type of sport event that you're having, any type of appetizers you may want to make for your friends, relatives, or whoever's coming over. This is not, oh gosh, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Woo! This is not bad at all. At all. How would I recommend this? I would highly recommend this. I would probably do, maybe instead of 8 minutes, probably 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Just so do you have enough slices for everybody? And this is this tortilla shell wasn't that big, so you have to work with whatever you have. But this is not bad at all. At all. This is actually pretty delicious. How would I rate this? Scale of 1 to 10. The smell is not bad. It could do with a little bit more garlic sauce. But that's easy fix. You can just make more instead of using the little bit I used. But overall, as an appetizer, this is not bad. Crab Rangoon, crab, whatever they call it. This is not bad. This is good. Taste wise, I'll give this somewhere in like 8.5. It's really, it's not bad at all. I thought this was going to be a disaster because of the cream cheese, but this is good. So, another wonderful dish from Cooking Wrong. If you have dishes that out there that you see that you have seen on YouTube and you want me to test it to see how good it really is, shoot me a comment. I'm in the process of setting up an email with the website. And I think it might be cooking. I'll let you know, and I'll put it in the comment. I'll put it in the notes what my email address is, so you can send me videos that you want me to test and see how good it really is. This is not bad. It really isn't bad at all. It would, like I said, I wouldn't make this as a meal. This would be an appetizer, but you get some pizza sauce or marinara sauce or more garlic butter. You dip this in it, your partner will love you forever. Because you know, men are the biggest way. It's an old saying: the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Girlfriend, I can't tell you how true that really is. You can if you bad in the kitchen, you best believe you go get a freaking call from homeboy. But in general, for families and just making things interesting, this right here could be actually done with your kids. You can have one kid put out the another kid put the Philadelphia cheese on it. Another kid would slice up the artificial crab legs, and another child could then kind of package it all together to put in the air fryer. This could be actually a family event where everybody gets involved into an appetizer. It don't always have to be just you. And the whole reason this channel is to bond families together, to make them more active, and to do health things that make you more healthy and live a more healthier life. This may not be the most healthiest item, but it will develop a good, wholesome family bond and making something that's quite delicious. I have more stuff coming down the pipeline, guys. Sorry for the good. Like I said, life has been crazy. This economy is crazy. Everything's crazy. I'm going to try to give you at least one video a week if I can. This is another one I got. I have a couple of more that I have not posted yet, but like I said, this crab rangoon or whatever you want to call it, this is not bad. It really is not bad at all. Wow. Wow. This is really good. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself. I'm done. Cooking with Ron. We out of here.